Body sensation meditation. I welcome you to this meditation practice for observing body sensations. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes if it feels safe for you and take a few deep breaths to relax. Start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Feel the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Notice how the air feels as it moves through your nose, how it gently fills your lungs, now shift your focus to physical sensations in your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly scan down through each part of your body. Pay attention to any feelings or warmth, coolness, tension, or relaxation. Allow yourself to be fully present with whatever arises without judgment or attachment. As you scan your body, you might notice areas of discomfort or tightness. When you encounter these sensations, take a deep breath and direct your attention to them. Imagine your breath flowing into that area, bringing relaxation and softness. Allow any tension or discomfort to dissolve with each exhale. Remember, there is no need to change anything or make the sensation to go away. The goal is simply to observe and accept them as they are. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring back your focus to the body and the sensations you are experiencing. As you continue this practice, you might notice the sensations changing or shifting. Be open to the ebb and flow of feelings throughout your body. Stay curious and present in each moment. Wonderful. Let's take a few more deep breaths. Slowly bringing back your attention to present moment. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you cultivate a deeper connection with your body and its sensations. And remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need to ground yourself and find inner calm. Thank you so much for joining me today.